Hello and welcome to CBS Automotive and Cambridge Car Audio. My name is Ardil and I'm really proud to introduce this video of this Lexus that we've been working on. What we've installed is an upgraded sound system, but most of the key thing about this system is that you can't see any of it. We've upgraded the front and rear speakers as well as added a sub. The main thing as well on this installation, just bear in mind the date of this installation, this is the second install in the UK of the brand new Audison Prima Forza amplifier. It's outputting 85 watts per channel, an incredible bit of kit. I'll show you where we've installed that and I'll show you the whole system. The system sounds absolutely incredible. We've just shown the customer it and he's over the moon with the finished product as well as the installation that we've carried out. So this has all been carried out while our customer's been looked after in one of our loan cars, completely free of charge. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you around the system and talk you through exactly how we've done this work. So in terms of the actual system, in terms of the front end, what we've installed is Audison Voce front end. So that's the Audison Voce AV 1.1s, Voce AV 6.5s in the door. In the rear we've gone for a Prima system in the Audison range as well. So that's an Audison APK 165. We have used a crossover in the rear and I'll explain the reason for that in a second. So if we just open up the boot. In terms of the internals of the door card, you can't see anything whatsoever, but in the back here, as you can see, we've got the Hertz sub in a ported enclosure, and this is running off a one-channel amplifier which is mounted behind there. And up here, what we've installed is the brand new Forza amplifier. So this is an absolutely phenomenal bit of kit. It allows for digital processing as well. It's got its own latest software as well, which allows us to tune the car, time align the system so it makes it completely bespoke to every single customer. And I'll just show you as well, so these are the boxes that we return. And one of the key things that we do at CBS Automotive and Cambridge Car Audio is we do product registration. So we've done all the warranty registrations for and on behalf of the customer. These are the old speakers. So these are in the rear, they're absolutely incredibly lightweight speakers. This is what is installed in the front. And we've got the tweeter, which is there, so it's on like a floating bracket, and they're in the front on the dashboard. So they're basically the system, so they're all returned. One of the key things with these systems that we install is that they're completely reversible. So you can transfer all the equipment straight into another vehicle. So when you sell this vehicle, or any vehicle for that matter, we can take out all the equipment, move it to your next car, so you're making more of an investment than anything else when you're doing an audio upgrade. Obviously your initial car will sound absolutely fantastic, and that system will hopefully last you your entire lifetime. So for more details on how we can install or upgrade your vehicle in terms of the audio system or anything for that matter, feel free to get in touch with us. Contact number is 01223 56 30 30. And just so you know, this system is basically running 85 watts to your Voce AV 1.1s. We've actually bridged the channels on the amplifier to give 260 watts to the Voce 6.5s in the front. Then we've got 85 watts to going either door, and then we've used the 9th, which is a pre-out on the 8.9 Forza Edition amplifier, to digitally control the sub. We've also got a DRC mounted in the front in a really discreet location, so you can tune the car. We've not lost any features such as the balance or fader, because you have that through the DRC controller. So for more details on how we can do anything to your vehicle and make your car sound exactly how you want it to, or how it should sound, feel free to get in touch with us, and we really look forward to working on your car soon. Thank you.